This is the African Nightshade. Can you come close and see? Come close and see, Eric. See this? The African Nightshade. This is a vegetable. Harvesting it like for two weeks now. Okay. See how you harvest it? So there's no vegetable like this? You've never seen it, right? This is the first time. Okay. Yes, it is. Actually, the moment I saw it first time, I couldn't believe that this is what I'm seeing here. Something here, is this the one? And they're like, yeah. There you go. So here I am. Because see what type of varieties of course, nah, look at this. This is Managu. But from the village where I come from, we call it Ndunda. Okay? My village people call it Ndunda. Okay? Navu. Can you say Navu? Yeah. Yeah, there you got it. Navu. Okay. The test. Okay? And come close, I'll show you something. It has some white flowers. And when these flowers mature, they produce some seeds which are green and very bitter. But when they turn red, this one blacks. When it turns black, you can eat it as a fruit. Very sweet. Not that sweet, but see, like this one now. This one is ready. Can you show them here? Yeah, this one now. Can you? Yes, you see, this is ready. So now when we were kids, we would eat them. Okay? Now, then go wash it, cook it, then I'll call you to test. Yeah. My inbox and told me how to prepare it. Okay? They gave me a recipe. Like I should put some onion, then add some milk. This, what's the time now? 10:47. You see this one? This is another vegetable also. This one we call it macaroni. And you can come close, see the harvest. A good one, right? So now I'm going to wash it. I'll wash it here and keep it. This is running water. Okay, and the sink is washed, so just in case it drops. Okay, where the soil and dust is gone. It is bitter. It tastes bitter. So how does bitter leaf look like?
Mostly for me, I just boil it and drink the water.
And
very good.
Okay. And do you use it for anything?
I use it for stew.
For stew?
I use it for stew in the house. They left it for me. I ate the root.
So so you use. Thank you so much for your support. Don't stop the video. I'll show you. You have to take the video with. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, then cook it. Then I'll invite you. So please, those who are watching, subscribe to my channel. I have more natural foodstuffs. Yeah, natural nutritions for you. Okay, keep it locked on this channel, and I'll see you when I'll be cooking this later on. Thank you. So we start cooking of the shade by cutting the onions. Let's prepare these tomatoes as well. So the onions and tomatoes are ready. So next we cut the black nightshade and we proceed with the cooking. Tunaikata. So let's cut this shit. So this one is cut. How do I put it? Yes. Okay. You don't have to cut it into small pieces. Just trim it here and there. And okay, so it's done. So it's cut. The onions, the tomatoes. Okay, we have some Maggi. Yeah. We have some. I have some milk here. Someone suggested to me that if you add milk, it will taste better. So let's see. I'll tell you the results. Don't worry. The onion is almost ready. Until it is brown though, we don't put anything. So the onion is ready. It's brown. It looks brown the way it's supposed to. We don't want to burn it more than this. So I think it's okay to go here. So we'll go ahead and add the tomatoes and some little chili. Okay. And get the sizzling sound. Okay. Put it so that we don't burn. Okay. There we go. So let's start this and see. It's very important, the flavor. Yeah. Let's put some salt as well. It should be enough. My salt looks chili powder in it. So good. Let's cover it again. Give it a few minutes. Okay, let's open and see now how far. Yeah, so the tomatoes has cooked well. Tomato imeiva kuiva. Let's see. Oh no. Let's see. It is hot. You know, milk time. Not too much though, half a cup is okay. And you spread it that way. Looks like coconut cream. And again you cover it for maybe 2 minutes. This one is ready now. Ready like fresh ready. This one is ready. Let's go ahead and remove it and give it a test to see how best we have performed. So subscribe, like and share. Let me know in the comment section how you prepare your nightshade, aka Mnavu, aka Managu. Tell me on the comment section, how do you make yours? Do you add milk? Do you just add spices, or do you just boil and fry it, or do you just boil and put salt? Let me know how you make it. Thank you so much. Let's take it out. Let's give it a test. I tell you how we've performed so far, and then we shall end this video there. Thank you for staying and watching this far. So Managu is ready. Let's remove it. Okay, so see what we have made. Looks good, right? So let's give it a taste and tell you how it tastes. I have a small piece of ugali here. This is just for tasting purposes. Okay, that should be enough. And let's cover the rest. Let's see. Nice. I can't believe I made this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share and comment. See you on the next one. Bye bye.